Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save favorites to the Microsoft Edge web browser. Before I begin, I just want to go over a couple things. First thing being, like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And the other part is, I'll be taking requests or recommendations, suggestions, whatever you want to call them, from now on. So in the comments of this video or any other video that I post, if you want to learn something and you're pretty curious about it, let me know, ask away. I'll do my best to assist in another video and future video. So I'm taking requests. So all you have to do is comment down below on what you want to learn, what you're stuck on, and I will do my best to assist you later on. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's just jump right into it here. So Microsoft Edge. What is Microsoft Edge? So Edge is a web browser. Obviously, it's owned by Microsoft. Microsoft created it. Think of it as a spin on Internet Explorer. So you have Internet Explorer. Now Edge is supposed to kind of replace it, more newer, more updated, more just faster and everything. So Microsoft just kind of is pushing Edge on people. I know it comes pre-installed on the new Windows 10, new computers that have Windows 10. So any laptops, desktops, or Surfaces that have Windows 10 have Microsoft Edge built in. This is for people who want to use Edge, or this is for people who are using Edge now and don't know how to save favorites. So let's just go right into Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open up a few tabs here. Google, ESPN, Apple, and we're going to do NFL.com. Alright, so as you can see, I have a couple tabs open. I have Google, I have ESPN, I have Apple, and I have the NFL. So, like my previous videos on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox, it's pretty similar. Now, again, if you have tabs open, you just don't always want to go to these tabs all the time. It's going to be a waste of time. You want to save things quickly. You want to get back to them in a timely fashion. So what you want to do is, once you have your favorite tabs open that you want to constantly visit, open up your tabs, and on each tab, click on this star right here. It's pretty similar to the other web browsers, the star. Think star means favorites. So hit the star for each page that you want to save. So I'll hit that right there. You can name it whatever you want. I'll just keep Google as the name. It'll save in my favorites. I'll hit add. And see how the gold star turned gold? That means you saved it. We'll do ESPN, same thing. Hit the star. We'll just keep it ESPN. Hit add. Star goes gold. Apple, same thing. Hit the star. Hit add. Goes gold. NFL. Hit the star, and then hit add. Goes gold. So now that you save these pages, let's just close out of here. Close all tabs. Jump back into Edge. Now that you saved your pages that you want to revisit, how do you access them? So this is how. You're going to click this guy right here. It's a half a star with, I think, 2 lines. It's like 2 lines in the middle. If you click on that, it's favorites. And it'll show your favorites right here on the right-hand side. Now you could also, more keyboard shortcuts. If you saw one of my previous videos, if you hold in Control on your keyboard, Control and the letter I together, that also brings up your favorites. So you have 2 ways to access your favorites in Microsoft Edge. Either this icon right here, or Control I on your keyboard. So that was the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give me some suggestions or give me some ideas, whatever you guys want to learn. I'll be more than happy to help you along the way, the best that I can. And I will see you on the next video.